you see the video from One Lonely Farmer?
You know, I haven't watched it.
Where he uploaded one, what was it? Yesterday morning, starting his 4960. And you know what kind of fuel pumps them got in them, like the 7800.
Right.
He said that they're supposed to do that, cackle and fart and piss and howl, and when it's cold out like that, the darn thing wouldn't start with ether. He gave a thing so much ether that it hydrolocked it.
Oh, yeah, you can't do that. You got to be careful giving tractors ether.
Yep.
You really do.
Uh-huh. That Ford backhoe, all I do is just give it a sniff.
That's all you got to do, Travis.
Yep.
Right. That's all you do is just give it a little sniff. You can do it before you start it. You can crank a little bit and give it a little more, and that's it.
Okay.
And then you wait till it fires.
Yeah, it hydrolocked that thing good.
Well, yeah, you can't, yeah.
He jumped it off of a 4055, I think it was.
Yeah.
But I'm like, holy I don't remember if he had the thing plugged in or not. I don't know.
Well, I don't know either, bud.
All I know is you better have stuff plugged in or it ain't even gonna think about trying to start.
Not this time of year.
Nope.
Not as cold as it is. This is brutally cold.
This is weather that'll kill you if you're not dressed for it.
Well, this is motor tearing up, ruining.
Yep.
Hydraulic seal blowing.
Oh.
O-ring blowing shit.
Yep.
It is.
So that's the vertical shaft, or the auger you're taking out, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Thank God for a heated shop.
Speaking of heat, how's come it ain't working?
Uh-oh. You want the heat turned on?
Well,
okay.
All right. I'm working, but
You want it turned up just a little bit? I'll turn it up. You're right, it isn't working.
no.
It was shut all the way off on the needle.
Yeah, I think Pappy's got it shut off.
Yeah, I think he does too. That gator of mine didn't even want to start coming over here.
That's because it's your John Deere.
No. Oh. Never in my life since I've owned that thing, Pete, have I had to use the choke. Until today.
Well, then it ain't set up right. You should have to use the choke to start it.
All I've ever done was just pump the accelerator umpteen times and it starts that way. You want help? Okay.
This is the result of combined beans when it was mud.
Yeah. Yep. There's mud in that auger, isn't there?
Yes. Yes, there is.
Holy crap. We don't like mud.
It's clay too.
Oh, we got plenty of that back at the pit. Pete, I like the idea of tracks.
What?
I like the idea of tracks. We're already halfway there. We just gotta wait for the final drives to come back.
Yeah, now's the time to put them on.
Yep. I agree. I bet you it's gonna be a wet spring and a dry fall.
You want to get a pipe wrench?
There you go. Oh. There you go. I think I'm gonna go do chores.
Why don't you go do chores?
Okay. Well, that thing's warped. What's bad on it? The bearings go out?
What's that, buddy?
The bearing go out?
No. See the end of the auger?
Okay.
See how thin it is?
Oh.
See, you get some balling.
What's that?
You can get some balling put on it.
Yeah, I think Dad said John was gonna put stainless steel auger in.
Well, that or balling on the end of it.
The flighting on this end here's all chewed up. What's that from?
That might, the chewed up part might be me getting it out with a screwdriver, but it's thin.
Oh yeah.
That's the problem, it's thin.
Yep.
Chewed up.
Right. Man, that ain't even hardly paper thin, Pete.
Say again?
That's not even hardly paper thin. That's past paper thin. Where it comes up the top here. Huh. That's straight. What do you gotta do? Hook the two together with.
I'm counting. Shut that off.
Right.
So Crunte?
Yes, sir. You need a hammer and a punch to put your master link in, right?
Hammer and a chisel, not the part.
Okay, I'll get that. 78, was it like this?
I don't know. I was younger than you at the time.
Were ya? So all we got to do then is that auger and wait for these final drives to come back, right?
Oh, that's part of it.
Part of it. What?
Could be much more.
Yeah. Well, I'm just glad all the mud's out of this thing.
Yeah, well, if you put Baja on it,
Oh, if we had tracks.
don't matter. Oh, shit.
Oh.
You see where that went?
Nope. I heard it, but I didn't see it.